Well, it's definitely still winter here in Washington. It's another beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. Very cold, but very beautiful. And we have some blue sky, which is such a nice change because it has been really gray recently. And I'm out here today testing out vlogging on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G smartphone. Samsung has lent this to me for just a few days, and I'm pretty excited to try it out because I've never tried a Samsung smartphone before. But I've always heard that the cameras are really, really great, especially this S21 Ultra. It can do 8K video. It has a 108 megapixel sensor for photos. Last summer I did a video talking about vlogging on a smartphone and sharing some tips and tricks for making videos with your phone, and some people seem to really like that topic, so I thought I would do something kind of similar with this video and just see what I can shoot with this, test out the features. I'm just gonna keep this on me for the next few days, so whenever I get somewhere where there's something kind of interesting to shoot, I can pull it out. But yeah, what do you guys think so far? The ultimate test is how this looks on your screen once this video is done, so let me know. The first feature of the S21 Ultra I tested out was the 8K video. To use it, just open the camera, scroll to video, select the resolution icon, and select 8K 24. 8K is great because not only do you get a lot of detail, but you can also zoom in significantly in post and still have high resolution. I think the 8K camera performed especially well with closer detail shots with subject isolation and depth of field, and also the 4K video was super impressive. I shot a lot of this as well, and if I hadn't known this shot of the ducks was taken on a smartphone, I would have guessed it was from a mirrorless camera setup. It looks really good, and I think the colors are nice as well. So another really cool feature that comes along with the 8K video capabilities of the phone is called 8K Video Snap. And this feature allows you to pull a high-res image from any frame in an 8K video. All you have to do is shoot a video in 8K, go into the gallery, select play video, scrub to exactly the frame that you want the image of, and then press the little snap icon up in the corner and it will create your image for you. This is actually one of my Hail Mary techniques for getting photos of myself when I'm solo traveling. If the tripod and timer isn't working or isn't an option, or there's something just different about what I'm trying to shoot, I will just record a video and try to get an image grab off of that. So the fact that that process is just built in is pretty cool. So the next feature I'm curious about is the 108 megapixel photos. So over the next few days, I'm just gonna be taking pictures and I'm gonna put them in here and we can see how they turned out. So to use this feature, you just need to select the 108 megapixel resolution option in photo mode. And overall, I think the photos with this camera were great right off the bat. I always edit everything, so here's a look at that as well. There is so much detail. Like this photo right here on this wintry trail, I started zooming in and around and I found this dog on a leash sign and then zoomed back out and I can't even see it when zoomed out. I'm out at sunrise this morning and I thought that this spot would be a perfect place to try out a feature called Director's View. Within Director's View, you have Vlogger mode, and Vlogger mode will record from both the front and back facing cameras simultaneously and create a picture-in-picture video. I think this is such a cool idea, and I love seeing features in phones and cameras that are tailored to vloggers. I love that. So to get into Director's View, open your camera, swipe to more, and then you'll see a little Director's View icon. Click on that. And then once you're in vlogger mode, you can choose which camera you want to be using for the back-facing camera, if you want a wide view, if you want something more zoomed in. So let's make me small. So yeah, this is what that looks like. This is really cool, somewhere scenic where you can really give 360-degree views. I feel like this would be a really good feature for like TikTok or Instagram stories because you can use it vertically as well. And if you were like staying in a cool hotel room and doing a hotel room tour, or you just moved into a new apartment and you want to do an apartment tour, I feel like this kind of setup would be cool where you can like guide people through something but also be on screen narrating. Well, per usual, for the Pacific Northwest this time of year, the weather has changed on a dime and it is now like hail snowing on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G? I also haven't used anything extra with this phone. It hasn't been on a gimbal. I'm not using an external microphone. This is the microphone on the phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think down in a comment below. I'm getting snow stuck in my eyelashes now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.